How to make a poll on your Discord server. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to make a poll on your Discord server. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, to be able to add a simple poll on your Discord server, you need to do this by adding a bot. So go over to Google Chrome and do a Google search for Simple Poll Discord. Then the top option should be the website top.gg. So just click on that one. Once you're on this website, tap on the invite button. On the next screen, it will ask you to add it to your server. So select your server from the drop down. Then tap on continue. On this next screen, tap on authorize. Then check the box to say that you're a human. And as you can see at the top there, I've just got a notification and on this window here that this has been authorized and been added to my server. So if I head back over to my server, then once you're back to this page, you can see Simple Poll Join the Party. So to create my poll, all I need to do is type in the message here. I go / then type poll. And then at the top, I'm just going to tap on where it says question. And here you can write your question. So it gives you an example. Have you had enough coffee? I'm just going to write this question. Then next I have to put in my answers. So it gives you choice A, choice B, choice C, all the way across to choice T. So it gives you multiple choices if you would like. I'm just going to tap on choice A. Then my first answer will be yes. Then I'm going to tap on choice B. Second answer will be no. Then if I hit the send button, it will then create a simple poll. And as you can see, that's created a simple poll on your server. And then for somebody to answer the poll, all you need to do is just tap on the A or B depending on which answer you want to do. So tap on A, you see the numbers just gone up to 2 there. And that's what it takes to make a poll on your Discord server. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.